Welcome to day 20 of our 30-day ritual and guided meditation. Tonight, we will be focusing on prioritization. What you prioritize shows up in your life. Shift your time and energy. What needs to move higher on my priority list? Your schedule reflects your values. Yesterday, you focused your energy and began identifying what truly matters most in this season of your life. Today, we look at something important, where your time, attention, and energy are actually going. Because your priorities are not only what you say matters, they're what you consistently give your energy to. Take your time, but remember, this reflection isn't about highlighting negative energy. But shifting your focus to positive goals, aspirations, and priorities. When you're ready, find a comfortable position and gently close your eyes. Take a slow, deep breath in through your nose, filling your lungs completely. Hold gently for a moment and exhale slowly through your mouth. Again, inhale deeply. Feel your chest expand, your ribs widen, hold, and exhale long and steady. One more time, inhale, hold, and exhale, releasing tension. Now allow your breath to settle into a calm, natural rhythm. Bring your awareness into your body. Start at the top of your head and slowly move your attention downward. Relax your forehead. Soften your eyes. Release your jaw. Let your shoulders drop. Your chest soften. Relax your stomach, your hips, your legs, all the way down to your feet. Feel your body supported, grounded, present. As the moon grows brighter and more visible, its direction becomes clearer with each phase. And today, you are bringing clarity to where your own energy is being directed. Now gently bring to mind the thing you identified yesterday as most important to you right now, the area of your life, the feeling, the direction you want to grow toward. Now, without judgment, begin to notice how much of your daily energy is actually going there. not what you intend to do, but what you consistently give your attention to. Maybe your energy feels scattered. Maybe it's being drained by habits, distractions, or responsibilities that no longer feel aligned. Just notice it honestly. Awareness is not failure, it's information. Take a slow breath in, and as you exhale, imagine gently gathering your energy back to yourself. Again, inhale, and exhale, redirecting your focus toward what matters most. Now imagine making one small shift in your daily life that better reflects your priorities. Maybe it's protecting your time, saying no more often, creating a new habit, or giving less energy to what drains you. Notice how that feels in your body. Your life shifts through repeated choices. Small moments of intention, repeated consistently, become direction. You do not need to change everything at once. You only need to begin placing your energy where your values already are. Bring your awareness back to your breath. Inhale slowly. Exhale fully. Feel your body steady, clear, intentional. Silently repeat to yourself, I choose to give my energy to what truly matters. When you're ready, gently bring movement back into your body and slowly open your eyes. What you consistently give your energy to will shape your life. Tomorrow, we'll talk about commitment and what it means to truly show up for yourself. I'll see you for day 21.